In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and shop on www.costco.com. Whether you're a seasoned shopper looking for a refresher or someone who's just getting started, this guide will simplify the process so you can make the most out of your online shopping experience with Costco. First, let's dive right into the beginning of our journey, which starts by opening your preferred web browser and heading over to the Costco website. You can do this by typing q.costco.com into the address bar and hitting enter. Once you're there, you'll be greeted by the familiar layout of the Costco wholesale homepage. Here, you can find a wide array of products across different categories, from groceries and electronics to apparel and beyond, all available for purchase from the comfort of your home. Now that you're on the home page, the next thing you'll want to do is navigate to the cart. You'll find the cart icon in the top right corner of the page. Clicking on this icon will take you to your shopping cart, where you can view the items you've selected to purchase. If you're just starting and haven't added any items yet, your cart will of course be empty. However, as you browse through the website and find items that catch your interest, you can add them to this cart with just a click. As you explore different sections of the website, feel free to search for specific items using the search bar, which can be a real lifesaver when you're looking for something in particular. Simply enter the name of the product or category you're interested in and press enter. This will pull up a list of relevant items for you to browse. Once you find an item you'd like to purchase, click on it to view more details including pricing, specifications, and availability. When you decide you want to add it to your cart, all you need to do is select the quantity and click the Add to Cart button. Once you've gathered all the items you want to purchase, head back to your shopping cart by clicking on that cart icon again. Review the items you've selected to ensure they're correct. If you need to adjust quantities or remove items, you can do so here. After everything looks good, proceed to the checkout process, where you'll be guided through steps to enter your shipping information, select a payment method, and finalize your purchase. Shopping at Costco online can save you time and effort, allowing you to enjoy the vast selection they offer without leaving your home. Hopefully, this guide has helped clarify the steps you need to take, making your online shopping experience seamless and enjoyable. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping.